Kilo Juliet 4, Romeo Echo Zulu.
Romeo Echo Zulu, roger, roger. And what's the name there?
South Carolina, and I just came across your net. I know you're about to close it out, so I thought I'd try to check in really quick.
All right, got you from South Carolina. What's the name?
Got you from South Carolina. What's the name?
Floyd, as in Pink Floyd.
Roger, Floyd, and what radio are you running, sir?
Roger, Floyd, and what radio are you running, sir?
I'm running a new Icon 7300 I picked up, I think I got it on Wednesday with the SM20 running about 100 watts. And a dipole about 12 feet off the ground.
Roger, roger. We have a setup for that 7300. It starts with the compressor engaged at about a 3. The compressor engaged at about a 3, roger.
Engaged at about a 3, roger.
Yeah, I did all the normal stuff. I ended up having to turn the compression off because everybody just said it sounded better without it, because it is an amplified microphone, and I guess with my voice characteristic. But as of late, everybody says it sounds okay.
Well, you do have about a 3 dB dynamic range, but normally, we do suggest the compressor at a 3 and then turn down your input level. Ultimately, we get to the ALC meter with a compressor in line at a 3. We go to the ALC meter, and then you turn down your mic gain until the ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3. That's the normal setup.
QSL. That's about where I'm at right now, about 2/3 on the ALC, but the compression is off. But before people like it better with the compression off. But
Sir, the frequency is in use.
You got 1 minute left. I'll let you try to pick somebody up again. Thank you so much, and I'll say 73. KJ4REL.
Roger, roger. Audio sounds good, sir. And like I say, you were about a 3 dB dynamic range in spite of not running the compressor. So that's exactly where you want to be. So there you are. Get the Gorilla Tape and taper down. 3's to you. What's the Floyd? That's the name, Roger?
QSL, Floyd.
Roger, roger. And you're in South Carolina?
South Carolina?
Yes, sir. Taylor, South Carolina, almost in North Carolina, not too far from the state line there.
Roger. Well, gosh, you're giving Milford, PA about a 10 over. So you're really sounding good on the Milford PA SDR. 3C, Floyd. We'll catch you later. And you have a great weekend. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. We are past 5, so let me wrap this up. We've really enjoyed it. Hope you have. And for all that participated, if you go to YouTube in the next couple of days and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. We're running now about just a little over 1,100 recorded Qso-Vlogs. You'll be looking for one in specific called My Group Aircheck 51520. My Group Aircheck 51520. So with that, we will return the frequency back to normal amateur use, and we'll say 3s, and this is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor. It will be clear.